Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 12 of January daily math. What number is this? And then it says, be careful. Okay, so let's think of hundreds, tens, ones. Remember, we always go in that order, right? Hundreds, tens, ones. So let's look at the hundreds first. We have 7. And then we have 6 tens. And then finally, we have 3 ones. So there's our hundreds, tens, ones. All right, next, it says write less than, greater than, or equal to. 1 dime, so 1 dime is 10 cents. 2 nickels is 5 plus 5 is also 10 cents. Again, we're looking at the value, not how many coins, right? So these are actually equal. 1 dime and 2 nickels, it's the same thing, 10 cents. All right, fish Belle eats in 1 week. So we have mackerel, herring, trout, and silver sides. Those are the different kinds of fish. And then how many more trout? How many more? Oh, that's a big word. How many more trout does Belle eat than herring? So we're going to look at the trout, which is all the way out here to 50. Trout. And herring. So herring I look at right here. That's halfway between 20 and 30, so that would be 25, yes. And then we're going to subtract those because we're comparing them. How many more? So 50 minus 25 is 25. More on the floor, borrow from next door. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 25 more trout. Okay, number 4. Gerald and his friends made 5 snowmen in the park. 2 of the snowmen had 3 buttons. 3 of the snowmen had 4 buttons. How many buttons in all? Okay, so we have 5 snowmen. So I'm just going to make it, let's do it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 2 of the snowmen had 3 buttons. So those 2 had 3 buttons. And 3 of the snowmen had 4 buttons. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6. And plus 4 is 10. Plus 4 is 14, and plus 4 more is 18. Or 6 and 12 is 18, if you're doing it like that. 3 times 4 would be 12, so 6 plus 12 is 18. Or you go this way, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18. 18 buttons. How many? Circle that next word, buttons, that's our label. Number 5. Belle weighs more than Rocky, but less than Pete. How much could Belle weigh? So Belle weighs more than Rocky. So Rocky weighs 16 pounds, and Belle is greater than 16 pounds. But less than Pete. And Pete weighs 34. So Belle has to be somewhere between, let's see, 1 pound more than 16. So it would be 17. 2, 1 less than 34 is 33. So 17 to 33 pounds. Any number between those two numbers, between 17 and 33, any one of those is an acceptable answer. So great job on that, boys and girls, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 13.